Hello dear students, how are you? Fine? Pleasant morning. We are discussing G-NEET troubleshooting. Okay, this question was asked in JEE Mains 2019. Okay, so one clever student asked me as difficulty, so I am going to solve this. Watch the video, okay, till end, because at the end I will give you quick method, easy method to solve such type of problem. But always keep in mind, learn classical method first. Okay, there are no shortcuts of knowledge. So first of all, I will solve according to classical method. Okay, at that I will give you a quick and easy method. Okay, because in entrance test, time is also a factor. See, this is the data. 2-point charges Q1 root 10 microcoulomb and Q2 minus 25 microcoulomb are placed at x equals to 1 meter and x equals to 4 meter respectively. Then electric field at y equals to 3 meter is volt per meter. In volt per meter we have to find out. These are the choices. See, this is the figure. Okay, first of all, see, Q1 is placed at x equals to 1 and Q2 is placed at x equals to 4. So this is 1, this is 4. And we have to find out electric field at point P, which is at distance 3 on y-axis. So we have prepared two right angle triangles. Okay, so it is obvious that according to Pythagoras, PA will be equal to square root of 3 square plus 1 square, that is root 10, and PB will be equal to square root of 3 square plus 4 square, that is 5. So we have found out PA and PB. Okay, also we can find out. Okay, now let us give names to this angle and this angle. This is theta 1, this is theta 2. So tan theta 2, okay, will be equal to OP upon OB, that is 3 by 4, and tan theta 1 equals to 3 by 1. Okay, also we can find out cos theta 2 and sin theta 2 from this. Okay, in triangle, right angle triangle POB, cos theta 2 will be equal to adjacent side of the hypotenuse, and sin theta 2 will be equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So cos theta 2 equals to 4 by 5, sin theta 2 equals to 3 by 5. In right angle triangle POA, okay, cos theta 1 will be equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse, that is 1 by root 10, and sin theta 1 is opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is 3 by root 10. Now first of all, find out electric field at P produced due to Q1, that is KQ1 upon PA square. Putting the values, 9 into 10 raised to 9, Q1 is root 10, but it is microcoulomb, so into 10 raised to minus 6 upon root 10 square. Okay, so now see, this root 10 square will be 10. So 10 raised to 9 upon 10, that is 10 raised to 8. And 10 raised to 8 into 10 raised to minus 6, that is 10 raised to 2. So 9 into 10 raised to 2 into root 10 volt per meter. Okay, I have kept root 10 as it is because it will be cancelling here. Okay, now in general there are such type of problems in which calculations are easy. Okay, now E2 equals to KQ2 upon PB square. K is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q2 is, we have to put just value, so 25 microcoulomb. So 25 into 10 raised to minus 6 upon PB is 5, so 5 square. So this 25 will be cancelled. 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 10 raised to minus 6, that is 10 raised to 3 volt per meter. Now see, this E1 has two components, cos and sin. Cos component is in negative x direction, so E1 cos theta 1 into minus I caret, and y component is in positive, so plus j caret. Okay, putting the values, E1 9 into 10 raised to 2 into root 10 into cos theta 1 is 1 by root 10 into minus I cap, plus sin theta is 3 by root 10 into j cap. So this root 10 will be cancelled. Okay, so 9 into 10 raised to 2 in bracket minus I cap plus 3 j cap volt per meter. That is this E1. Now E2. Okay, for E2, see, cos component will be positive and sin component will be negative. Okay, so E2 cos theta to I cap and sin theta to minus j cap. Okay, so cos theta 2 is 4 by 5 and sin theta 2 is 3 by 5. So if I multiply this by 2, it will become 8. 8 into 9, that is 72. multiply this by 2, it will be 6 into 9, that is 54. And that 10 will be brought common, so 10 raised to 2 in bracket 72 I cap minus 54 J cap volt per meter. So I have kept the power 10 raised to 2 in order to have easy sum, okay, vector addition. So vector E, this vector E will be equal to vector E1 plus vector E2 according to vector addition, okay, and that will be, see, 10 raised to 2 I have taken common, okay. Now see, minus 9 I cap plus 72 I cap, it will be 63 I cap, and 27 J cap minus 54 J cap, so it is minus 27 J cap. So answer is A. These I have explained you in detail, okay, with calculation. But see, there is a easy method, okay. In order, if you don't have enough time, you can easily decide which is the answer. How? See, from this figure, it is obviously this force is more compared to this force, okay, or say this electric field is more than this electric field, because this charge is 25 microcoulomb, this is root 10 microcoulomb. So if I prepare a parallelogram, its diagonal will be like this. From diagonal only we can decide the value, okay. Its x component is positive and have more value, y component is negative and less value. Only A answer is possible. Okay, bye.